Hey, welcome back to the Odd Rod Garage. Today is another episode of Wild Car Wednesday, and behind me I have a truly ugly car, but sort of sexy in its own way. So check it out. Yeah, I'm not going to tell you what it is. Yeah, that's the game, you know. But this car was way ahead of its time, but sort of funky. You know, it came with a small block Chevrolet in it. This company did not make their own drivetrains, and I hope you can see it. It is a funky car. I got a lot of stuff here, so. It is a fiberglass car, fairly easy to alter. A good shot here. This in the rear window. Sort of a funky car. We'll look down through the sunroof. Pretty cool steering wheel. It was an automatic car, console, and yes, the sunroof. Try and block out a little bit of the sun with my hand. Anyway, this car, I have a really cool idea. At least I think it's a really cool idea because the car is so, I don't know, it's got a face that only a mother could love. Anyway, it has some cool shaped wheel openings on it, and they were actually pretty fast. These were produced in 1963, 1964, 1965, I think it was, and then later on they picked up this almost the same exact production line in late 60s all the way through like 1989 or something. Pretty much stayed the same. So this car has its fair share of bumps also, like most of the cars I pick up to completely alter. You can see here on the roof it's pretty jacked. Fiberglass is starting to come undone from the gel coat. Someone started some work on it, but it pretty much needs a lot. And so there's a viral video out there that I will reference as to what I want to do with this car. And hopefully you guys will like it and think that maybe it'll actually turn into something good looking. There are a couple that have been resto modded. That's already been done, so I don't want to do that. But they did actually turn out really cool looking. Hopefully you guys will enjoy what I have to draw up for it. And tell me what you think it is in the comments. Onward and upward. All right, so there you have it. Hopefully it turned out well enough that you'll be able to see what it is. So last week's car was a 1963 Amphicar 770. The 770 connotation was 7 miles an hour in the water, 70 miles an hour on land. As I said before, it would not do either of those things. Anyway, it was fun drawing it up. I guess I gave too many clues. It was pretty easy for you guys to look up. This one, I think I've drawn poorly enough that you may not ever guess this car. But anyway, I gave some hints on the headlights, the difference between the headlights, so maybe that'd be something. I would like to do this car similar to the Hoonigan all-wheel drive Mustang. I think it'd be pretty cool. Do all-wheel drive, LS, maybe a 6-speed in it. I think it'd be pretty cool. Really down low, big wide tires with some fender flares for a drifting style car. Anyway, real quick, I wanted to give a shout out to Stuart Kraft at work. Actually, there are a lot of guys at work that really support me on this. So I'll start giving some shout outs to those guys. Anyway, I really appreciate you guys tuning in. Remember, every Sunday morning at 7 o'clock, I upload my weekly video. And every Wednesday morning at 5 o'clock, I upload my Wildcard Wednesday. So appreciate you coming and spending your time with us. Remember, on the 67 C10 giveaway truck, I'll disclose on this next Sunday's video whether it's going to be a long bed or a short bed. And if you want to register for the drawing, you need to make sure that you're subscribed publicly so that I can see it. Otherwise, I don't know who you are. You need to give me a like and send me a comment. And I appreciate all you guys' help. And I appreciate you guys tuning in and taking your time. And as always, thanks for watching. Super Al, King Eli, you should be watching my videos.